Here with Grenada, the Rugby World Cup final follows this visit to ITN.
It now looks as if Mr.
In an unforeseen event, an undersea earthquake deep in the Atlantic Ocean has created a tsunami 8 to 10 meters tall. This tsunami is rapidly heading towards the coast of Wales and South England and is expected to hit within the next few hours. To the people currently in those regions, you are advised to evacuate immediately. Should you not be able to evacuate by yourself, call emergency services for assistance. While evacuating, you should have basic supplies such as medicine, food, water, and a portable radio for information regarding this event. Shelters set up by the British government are being placed in Cardiff, Swansea, Plymouth, Truro and Bath. Should you not evacuate, you could suffer a painful death or injury. ITN will continue to give you the latest news and information for your safety.
We are sure you heard the emergency announcement that was just broadcasted here on ITN. We here are just shocked at how such a major event could happen. Once again, if you are in the south of England or Wales, evacuate now. We cannot stress this enough. Entire cities could be submerged. The World Meteorology Organization is surveying the tsunami. UN soldiers have been sent to the endangered areas to evacuate any civilians left. Meanwhile, the